What trafficking is, in most cases, is not kidnapping in those very dramatic cases, but it's migration gone terribly wrong.
Most people migrate to either flee from danger or to earn money. If you're trafficked, you've entered into a dangerous situation and you're not making money, which is obviously the direct opposite of what you hope to achieve as a migrant worker.
You can be vulnerable because you're terribly poor. And also you have people who are vulnerable because of lack of legal status. For example, say the economy of your village has been going steadily downhill, and you hear there's a job in Bangkok, but you can't legally go there. So you need someone to move you. He can say, you know, I'm promising you a good job in a factory, and it turns out you're hijacked onto a fishing boat where you go out to sea for 2 years, you don't get paid. If you get sick, you get thrown overboard.
Vital Voices created a three-part effort in dealing with human trafficking. We called it the 3 Ps. Prevention, because we have to find ways to ensure that women in particular understand the risks. And then protection, trying to shelter them when they are able to escape out of their situations. And prosecution, absolutely critical, and governments have to do it.
One of the things that we talk about is the need to concentrate on addressing trafficking through looking at issues of structural vulnerability.
The most foundational remedy is really to help to grow the livelihoods of people wherever they live.
The NGOs are able to work directly with communities, but the NGOs themselves can't do it all.
The commitment we made at the Clinton Global Initiative was to hold a meeting with the support of business partners like Microsoft, recognizing that if this global scourge is to be ameliorated, it really required business being at the table with governments and with NGOs.
The Unlimited Potential program isn't trying to develop the next generation of software engineers for Microsoft. It's really more about how can people take IT skills, apply them in ways that enhance the quality of their lives. So we're looking for NGOs that will combine the IT skills training with, for example, employability strategies or softer life skills and work readiness strategies.
Trafficking is come from the poor. Poverty problem. We try to educate people to know more about global rights. If our young people, they have self-confidence, they know what their aim, they not need to follow.
The kinds of programs that make the vulnerable aware and the kinds of programs that can help them establish economic livelihoods, those are foremost considerations.
This isn't a problem that's going to be solved, as they say, at the end of the television hour. There has to be a long-term commitment, and there has to be a commitment to address it in a sophisticated way.
We're talking about one issue here, human trafficking, which has a lot to do with preying on poor people. We know we have to address the core problem of poverty. But all of these kinds of energies that come together will make this world a better place, will empower citizens to really bring about change and progress in their communities. So I think the time has come for us to be working together in these ways.